Hi! In front of me is Honor X7 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, just open Settings and scroll down. After that, select Accessibility Features. Now click on one-handed mode and click on this sorter to activate it. After that, you need to follow all of those instructions. Slide your finger across the button of the screen and hold. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, just click on this blank area. If you wish to change placement of your screen, you can always do that by swiping the other way. Then go back the same way. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!